much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay. Meet me at the car hop or at the pop shop. Meet me